I'm most certain that you probably have never seen this watch. This is the Oris Artelier Caliber 111. It is one of the most expensive Oris models, and it was a special edition to commemorate their 111 years. Oris is one of my favorite houses because I believe they do things differently. They are an independent brand that bets on innovation, which gives them incredible value, as we can see on this watch, which is insane. We have a simple design, but little by little we start understanding the beauty of it. On the left side we have the date, color matched perfectly with the dial. Then we have the seconds hand. On the right side we have the power reserve indicator, which counts from 1 to 10. Generally, watches have a power reserve of 38, 42 or even 72 hours. But this watch has a whopping 10 days of power reserve. That's 240 hours of power. As I said, insane. The design of this watch is elegant. The anthracite dial with the sunray finish makes this watch play with the light beautifully. We have details in red which makes the dial pop, but to me the best thing comes when we turn the watch around. On the back side of this watch we find the Oris Caliber 111. It is really well finished. The details are beautiful, but the most amazing thing about this movement is the giant barrel which houses the spring with the 10 days of power reserve. I was really curious about those snail-like gears, and I couldn't for the life of me figure out how they worked, until I did. As you can see, the power reserve indicator is not linear. It starts accelerating as we reach the 10 days, and that's why we need these snail gears. Just remember to be patient, because to fully wind this watch it will take you around 30 minutes and a sore hand. This is a really versatile and elegant watch. I believe it can look really well with different straps, because that anthracite dial goes well with nearly everything. The 43mm case may not be for everyone, but I believe this watch is comfortable enough to fit almost any wrist. The retail price of this watch is around $8,000. Even though a lot of people might think that is a lot of money for an Oris, I think this watch gives a lot of value for money. It is a special edition watch with an in-house movement, a really rare model, really versatile, and I think the engineering part of it is incredible. As I said earlier, with Oris being an independent brand, it is amazing that they are able to bring this kind of pieces to the market. But what do you think?